This is a cute look. Like, I'm on my way to a meeting. That could have been an email. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying something new. So today I'm trying Stitch Fix for the first time. I wish it said it right here. That would have been nice. So I've never tried Stitch Fix before. I've tried other styling services and I like them. You always get something you're not really expecting. And it's a good way to try new brands or try new styles that you're like iffy about, because if you don't like it, you can just send it back and you don't even have to leave your house. So many of you know Kelly Elizabeth on YouTube. She posted on her Instagram stories something about a $75 credit for Stitch Fix. And I was like, my cheap girl senses went off. So I swiped up and tried out Stitch Fix. I think it's 20 or 25 to try it out. Very similar to the other styling services, wherein if you keep what an item, that $20 goes towards the item, but it's $20 to get styled. But I heard 75 and the bells were ringing, so I went for it. So we're gonna film this a little differently because it's gonna be truly a first impressions when I open this box. I have no idea what's in here. And then during the try on part, I'll tell you how it fits and stuff. I filled out a little style quiz. It's like, would you wear this or that? Like this or that? And I told them, no jeans. I do not need any more jeans. I rarely wear them. I have a pair that I really like now, but like other than that, I don't need them. They don't fit in my lifestyle. So there better not be jeans in here. But yeah, I didn't request any specific styles or brands. I basically told them I like lace, I like bell sleeve kind of things, but nothing like, oh, I need an outfit for a Mexican vacation. Like nothing like that. So let's see what they gave me. Ooh, oh cute. Okay, so in the box, it tells you the steps. I think that's cute. A nice little way to like save a piece of paper, you know? And then it's packaged pretty nicely. I'm already liking like some of the patterns I see here. I do see lace. Okay, let's try this out. And then you got a pre-packaged mailer to send it back. Okay, I knew these came with a styling, like, oh, wear this dress, you can wear it with this or that. I love something like this because I'll get something and be like, okay, I'll wear this with leggings, you know, but it'll give you 2 ways to wear each thing they gave you. The total is $306, and then if I keep all 5, I get 25% off, making my new total $229, and then I have this $75 credit. So if I kept everything in this box, my total would be $154.50, which is actually not that bad, because then you divide that by 5, everything's about 30 bucks. So not that bad. I don't think I'll keep all 5, but the average price of most of these things is about $60. That's how much I spend like in a month on clothes. So the first item is a little tank top. Okay, cute. So basic kind of layering tank top. I love the coverage up here for the straps. So lace little keyhole up front and then a lace similar keyhole in the back. Like this is a good like work basic, put like a jacket or a cardigan on over this. Seems pretty stretchy. The back is a jersey knit material and then the front is like a more sturdy woven material. So that's pretty cool construction. Also, the lace in the back goes all the way down. So that's pretty cute. I could also see myself wearing this in the summer with like jeans or shorts. So hopefully this fits. Okay, so this is the Daniel Raine keyhole crochet top in a 1X, and this goes for $64. Honey, I don't think so, but it's really cute and it fits well, but $64. I can get this at TJ Maxx for $8.99, but I do have the $75 credit, and if I didn't like anything from the box, I might consider keeping this because it's a good layering piece and a really great basic. It has the crochet detail on the chest, but it's not see-through or anything, but you do get a little cutout, so it's fun and not like church lady. But the back is really cute. It has the crochet down the back, and then it opens up down here just to give you a little bit more room. Just like a really cute basic tank. So they styled this with a cardigan or with a skirt. I can see either of those working. I could see like a denim jacket working with this. Let me see what I have. So just literally right behind me in this closet, I have a pink little suede jacket. I think this will look really cute together. Yes! Super cute. And I think the keyhole really helps with giving you just a little pop of personality here. Like it's not a basic black tank. It has like a little bit going on. So again, this is a really good option. Like they did a really good job you know, putting this in my box according to what I asked for, but it's also just a tank top. So I feel like I could find this almost anywhere and for way cheaper. But like, it's a good tank top, but like, I can do it better on my own kind of a thing. Next, are they all gonna be, oh, this is cute. Oh, City Chic. I love City Chic. And I'm too cheap to like really buy them like most of the time. Oh, this is cute. Okay, this is City Chic. This is a size 16. Let me check this size. Probably a 1X. 1X, okay. So it is a little floral, like really dark blue background, floral wrap top. This is really cute. It has like 3/4 length sleeves with some ruching on the arm. And then like a bit of a peplum. Like I really like this kind of style. It really like, I'm pretty lower tummy fat. Like this skims over it really nicely without being like a very structured peplum. I have high hopes for this. This is really cute. All right, this is the top from City Chic. I love City Chic. I have for years. And I really like this top. Very boobalicious, which is right up my alley. And I think it like just pairs cute with like a pair of jeans or like a pair of leggings, ponte pants for work, whatever. This is in a size 16, which is their version of small. I think it fits really well. This is what I usually wear at City Chic. I like it where it comes on my arms. And I really like this slight peplum. Like that's super flattering, really cute. You could probably pop a blazer on this too for work. So I'll show you the pattern and a gratuitous boob shot. But it like really comes in under here. Again, giving me a little bit of a shape because I'm very cylindrical. And I really like the peplum effect. Really, really cute. Ah, this one goes for $78. City Chic is very expensive across the board. They carry it at Macy's. They carry it on Co-Edition. They have their own website. So I knew like I was gonna get like a little bit of a sticker shock. But I also have a black belt in shopping. So I know I can wait till like a sale and get this for around $35. And I think that's what I might do. Like this is really cute. And I have the $75 credit, which would then make this shirt $3. But I feel like I can get something a little bit more for my money if I picked something else. Pants or a skirt. Cute. Ooh, okay. They listened to me when I said lace. So this is a lace skirt in maroon, which is one of my favorite colors to wear. I don't think I even told them that, so this is good. And this is in a size 1X. They do have a stretchy panel in the back, which is good for fitting, and then it will lay flat in the front, so it doesn't look like gym shorts. And then it's lined. It has a cute little scallop at the bottom. I'm pretty happy with this. This is the Skies Are Blue Inez lace skirt in burgundy in a size 1X. This is $48. Guys, I feel like an adult in this, in like a good way. Ooh, this is super cute and it fits really well. There's the stretchy elastic in the back. There's like a ton of room, like nothing's ripping. What am I doing? But like, you know, sometimes like you wear a dress and you go like this and you hear that crack. Didn't hear that here. There's tons of elastic throughout this skirt. And it's like nice little like pencil and it's not clinging anywhere. This is cute. I think this might be a strong contender for the keep. This is $48. I always try and gauge on getting something on if I can get it cheaper somewhere else. And you know what? I don't really see a lot of these kind of skirts on other retailers. I could take a look after this video. But this one's pretty cute, pretty unique. Like, I feel like if I was getting this anywhere else, it'd be like yay high or mid calf. Like this is a nice, the perfect in between, you know? There is no pockets, which I'm okay with because sometimes those add bulk where I'm already bulky. I paired it with the first tank top here, which is what they did on the little card. So their styling ideas for this was actually really cute. So obviously like do something like what I'm doing and like add a blazer or wear like a white band tee and then a denim jacket with it. That'll be really cute. The possibilities. I just really love burgundy. Anything burgundy. Honestly, they could have given me like, I was gonna say a dead squirrel in burgundy and that's just weird. But honestly, if they just sent me 5 items of this color, I'd be all over it. I'm pretty much on board with this. This is really cute. Just give you the full turnaround. But I'm pretty happy with this. Okay, this is soft. I don't know what it is. It's a Fortune and Ivy size 1X. Oh, cute. It's a little wrap dress. Pretty thin, but I don't think it'll be see-through when it's on. But this is really soft. It feels like Lululemon leggings, like that kind of soft. And it looks like it should be A-line, but I feel like I might cling here, we'll see. But I do love a wrap top effect. It looks really good on the boobs, and it has a nice little flutter sleeve. Okay, so this is the Fortune and Ivy wrap dress in a size 1X. This is $48. So this is the most affordable option, I think, of the bunch. And I really like this. Holding it up, I was like, I don't know, we'll see, because I thought it would like cling a little bit here, but no, it's giving me a nice flow off the body, like a slight A-line. Okay, I love the flutter sleeve and the boob attention. Like, I'm not spilling out, but like it still looks really good. Also, it's like a fake wrap, so it's just like tied here. You don't have to go like in and out and hope you don't get a gust of wind. So I like the fake out wrap effect. Pulls me in right here. I don't really have a waist, so it's giving me a nice little illusion of one, giving me somewhat of a shape, so that's nice. I really like the florals on this too. It's not overbearing, but the color scheme on this is really nice because they'll work for spring, obviously, but they're a little darker, so I feel like I can wear this into fall with like a jean jacket, a leather jacket, like something like that, because the color scheme isn't too bright and like spring summery. So I think it's a really great length, comes up right to my knees. I don't feel like my butt's gonna come out. Like, very age appropriate and not like matronly. So I really like this. I'm pretty happy with what they're suggesting so far. All right, black. Is it a jacket? Is it a jacket? Ooh. Tell me this is a long line blazer and my head will explode. This is also from the brand Skies Are Blue. It's in a 1X. Pretty thick blazer. There's no button. No, that's good. I don't like a button, but like a nice little cutaway. Oh, all right. Oh my God. Cute little like roll up here. I think I did. I'm forgetting what I put in my style profile. I think I did ask them for a more like polished look because we know I love dressing like a giant baby. So I think I was aiming for a more polished workwear look. Please pray for me that I get an accounting job soon. I think I'm almost done with modeling. But light a candle for me at church. Anyways, I really like this, but I'll try it on formally in a second, but I'm pretty happy with this. Okay, and this is the Skies Are Blue Asa Knit Blazer in a size 1X. This one is $68. I think that's pretty on par with most blazers. So I was gonna try it on with the black keyhole top, but I wanted to give you a better contrast so you could see it better. I love where it comes on the arms, and again, there's that like rollover sleeve detail that you don't have to physically roll it up yourself, because I feel like that's really hard and then it gets really tight. So this is like already made for, it's already rolled up. You don't have to worry about it. And then it has a gray ruching here. Honestly, I think this would look better if it was like white or blue or something. I think the gray just looks a little too much like a sweatshirt or something. But I'm really liking how this is sitting on me. There's no button. It's not like too formal. It's just like a cutaway, kind of not relaxed blazer. So I think it's cute. It's coming to a good place on my waist. This might happen. I'm between the dress and this. We'll see. Let me know down below. Like, I can't make a decision for myself. Let me know in the comments which one I should use my $75 on. I think they did a pretty good job. There's no like obvious studs. And I feel like when I do a styling service, they kind of give me less age appropriate clothes. I am in my 30s now, but there's no reason for me to be dressing like a secretary who's about to retire, you know? So I like that they kind of gave me age appropriate, but a little bit more mature clothing. Okay, so on the little styling suggestion cards they give you, they did pair the keyhole tank top with the skirt, but then they also paired the skirt with the blazer. So since I have all three, I'm gonna pair them all together. And I think I'm gonna look like I need the businesswoman special, but I'm about that life. All right, ooh, oh, okay. I like this. This is a cute look. Like, I'm on my way to a meeting. That could have been an email. Like, I think that blazer works best in like a casual jeans t-shirt blazer kind of outfit, but it still pulled the look together with the like work outfit. But I did want to show you a different styling option with the things from my box altogether. So for my first time trying this, I'm pretty happy. I was kind of expecting very plain and matronly kind of clothes, but I'm pretty happy with the things I got. I really love the dress and I really love the skirt. I really like the blazer, but I don't feel like I need one right now. And then the other two things I feel like I can get on my own for cheaper if I just like search hard enough. Price-wise, they were all pretty much in line for what I asked for. I think going forward, knowing how cheap I am, I'm truly gonna go for every category, give me the lowest thing possible. But I feel like they carry like a little bit more higher end kind of things. So it probably won't be too often that you see a $24 shirt, you know, that's what we're used to. I think with the credit that I have, I got really lucky this time. I can probably swing one or maybe two of these. And honestly, had it not been for this top being so expensive, this could have been a keep all 5 kind of box, because that order total, it would have been $154.50 for the 5 items, and I really, really, really like almost all of them. I think that's a pretty fair price, but knowing that this is $64, I think that would haunt me for the rest of my days. I do wish there was a little bit more incentive to maybe even keep 3, like it doesn't have to be the full 25% off, but like if I'm keeping 3, give me 15% off, something like that. But anyways, for my first time trying this, I'm pretty happy. I think they did a really good job with my style profile and what I asked for. And I didn't even give them pictures or link my social profiles or anything. So going off like the minimum information I gave them, I think they did pretty good. And I really like that they give you the style options, like 2 for each item, because even though I work in fashion, like sometimes I'm not the best at putting an outfit together. I'll admit it. Anyways, thank you to Kelly Elizabeth for putting that on your Instagram story. You influenced me. I could just not spend the $75 and use that again in the future towards another styling fee. That's an option. But I think we're gonna keep 1 or 2 of these. Let me know down below which ones I should keep. Let me know. If you wanna try Stitch Fix, I also get a little refer a friend thing. It's gonna be 25 and not 75. Sorry. But if you want to try Stitch Fix, I'll leave a link down below, and that'll give you $25 towards your styling fee. So essentially a free box. And then if you keep something, that $25 goes towards the item. So if you have any questions, let me know and I'll be happy to answer them to my best ability. Again, this is my first time trying it, but I think I know how it works, you know? Anyways, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye. So I just filmed a bunch in these jeans and then realized they're not zippered. And I'm just gonna keep it in here.